Should work now. I move the video like so. Should be able to see everything, including the Enterprise B box that I'm about to open. So we're going to start opening now. I realize I could just take the plastic off. That's a lot easier than trying to cut through anything. Oh, there's the plastic. So while I was deployed in February, I realized I could still order stuff online and have it sent to me here at home. And when I saw that Cult TV Man had a deal for 2 Enterprise Bs, each of them $40, I said, $80, I can get 2 of them, so I can build one with the blue pinstripey, and I can do the other with aqua. So I figure the blue one is the 24th century version, and the aqua is the 23rd century. See, there's the aqua on the side picture. So let's see what the kit looks like. I never had this in the 90s. Never had this one. So you get the nice Star Trek Generations base. You get the clear plastic pieces. You get a lot more plastic pieces. You know, the engineering hall looks like the instruction guide and everything. You get the advertisement for, looks like posters, like original series poster, maybe next generation poster. And the other 2 clear pieces are the saucer section of the Enterprise B. And then you have the limited edition poster. Now, since I have 2, I'm going to see if the second box has the same poster or a different poster. So let's just see which one this one is. Okay, this poster is quite rolled up, so it's going to take a bit of effort to unroll it. But as you can see, it is the cutaway of the Enterprise D. So that's quite a good one. There's Captain Picard right there. And then you have the whole cutaway of the Enterprise D, and even a scale picture of what it looks like compared to the size of the Kirk Enterprise from the movies. So that's really something. That's good. I'll go into more in-depth opening, but for now this is just more like a camera test and just to see what's in the box.